In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make wall-mounted shelf with drawer. Okay, first of all, we have to make existing wall existing. We can make with rectangle or rotated rectangle. Maybe we can use the rotated rectangle to simple way. So then we can make the width of this wall around 150 millimeter, and then we can type for the length around 3000 millimeter or 3 meter. So then we have to push it up around 3000 millimeter, just like this. Okay, and then we can select it and make it group anyway, and then we can make the basic shape of this wall mounted in the wall. Okay, we can select a rectangle. We can set it with any size anyway, just something like this, maybe around 2 meter, and for the thickness around 260 millimeter, and then we can set the height it around 5 or 400 millimeter only. Okay, so then we can make it group anyway. So and then we can make the center line with the tape measure tool over there. We can place on the midpoint. So then we can uh, click and drag it to the right side around 400, for example, and then we can drag it to the left side 400 millimeter also. So and then we can click this. Okay, then we can click this. We can make the line over there. So and then we can offset it inside around 15 millimeter, and then we can push it to the back around 380 millimeter only. Okay, so you can get it. And after that we can make the rectangle over there with this tool, and then we have to push it until touch the bottom plane on the top shelf anyway, and then we can make it group. So then we have to move and duplicate it inside, move it to the forward, and then we can duplicate this line anyway. We can duplicate this line and to the back side around 30 millimeter, and then we can offset it inside. We can offset it inside around 15 millimeter, then we can push it down until 200 millimeter. Okay, so then we can make rectangle on the center. So then we have to push it to the back until this position, and then we can see it. So then we can click this line anyway, and then we can select move and move it down anyway. Okay, just something like this. Okay, and then okay, we can move it to the original position of it. Okay, so you can see it about the slide to the front and behind of this wall shelf drawer anyway. Okay, so then we can select it all, and we can select the material with the wood. We can just select this wood veneer number one, and it's look like just like this, or maybe we can select the another material to make it more representative. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial on this channel. Thank you.